asked the sons of Jacob to seek me in vain. He says, seek and you shall find. Knock and it shall be opened to you. Jabez did not focus on what the mother did. His focus was on God. Wherever you hear the sound of my voice, acknowledge the sovereignty of God over your life. Call upon God. There is answer from God. I stretch my hand towards you and I decree that this week answer will train your life. The grace of God will work for you. Every limitation placed on your life, I declare and I decree, you are exceeding them now. Exceed them now. In your job, exceed them. In your business, exceed them. In your trade, exceed them. No more limitation. In the name of Jesus, I bless your life. I bless your children. I bless your trade. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. And let me hear from you, amen.